Yep.
Trying.
You can figure out to get up to the window.
Hey, hey, hey. Uh-huh. Stardust, hold still. Just hook with your hook with your leg more. Come on. I am really.
Get her next to it.
Oh, they're cool, but not too cool. I mean, they're not as, like, fakey. Hold on, horsey. Watch her run away.
I go over. So, you gonna stay? Uh-oh.
Just walk up to her and get her. Just walk up to her head. What a good horse. Sometimes. Start forward more and remember to use like both hands. Like twist up her mane really good. Like don't hang on. Like twist your finger into it. It like works really good. Rip your arm off. Yeah.